This video is going to be my first impression about the iPad Pro M4 11-inch. We're going to get an update and update everything for you today. We're going to try out productivity, we're going to try out gaming, but first let's unbox. So what's in the box? We got cables, we got brick, we got the iPad, of course, fingerprints, and it's also thin as fuck. Let's power it on. Welcome to the screen. Let's set it up. Easy peasy. And honestly, I like to customize certain things. So let's get a feel for this one. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm impressed by the design, how slim and sleek and premium built that it actually looks like. So let's get and charge it and take a quick break. iPad Pro M4, most powerful chip that Apple has ever created. Honestly, what made me want to jump to get one is the new iOS 26, and I had to try it for myself, so I tried it and I downloaded it. And let's just say that I tried almost everything from mirroring, multitasking, extended the actual screen. I even took it outside, went for a walk. I ever brought it back to my living room just because. And then I also made like so many different windows. I almost crashed it. I wanted to figure out how to crash it. But then it started acting buggy. You seen that? Okay, so I had to learn some skills, and it's not like you can't learn them. It's pretty simple. It's just going to a website, download the firmware for your specific iPad, and download it back to whatever iOS that it was before. In this case, it was 18. So you hit the command or option, hold on to it. The file that you downloaded, you just click it and hit restore. And just wait until it actually, do its magic. It takes a long time, or it feels that way. Why are we so impatient in 2025? Hello, welcome screen. So I went ahead and downloaded the Fortnite game because that's the one that I was actually trying to play. And I also tried out the Final Cut Pro for iPad. I started doing a new project. I was just messing around with it, honestly. I was trying to figure out a way to how to actually like crash this thing, but it just wouldn't crash on me. And also I did my streaming service, which is Camo Studio. They're pretty good. That's just me in the background. So now I take it everywhere with me. Even when I'm waiting for people to come back from their break in the dentist appointment, or even for my daughter's pediatrician. I just get and play some Fortnite while I'm in the car, and yeah. I edited a few clips on the iPad Pro. Chances are I don't think I'm gonna switch anytime soon, like to actually replace my iPad or replace my actual MacBook. But hey, at least I have an option that if I want to get and edit something on the go, I can. Maybe I can do a whole separate video. Why don't you let me know? I'm gonna leave the video that I actually put here. And if you like, subscribe, it's free. Pull up and let's have some fun. Thank you for watching.